how we can change our language on PayPal. So if you're trying to log in into your PayPal account and you want to change a particular language, what you can do is you will be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So here on the side of login to PayPal, you should be able to see a drop down option. Just drop it down and there you will be able to see a bunch of languages which may be suitable for you. Just click on the language and enter the email address and password and log in. So another method is you may just go to, so another thing is if you want to change the display language on your PayPal account, you may just go to your settings and click on edit beside the language and edit your, and then select your preferred language and you should be able to see the language onto your PayPal account. So thereby, if you want to be able to see the language you choose until the next time you log in into PayPal, the PayPal website will be giving you emails from your selected language. So thereby, in this method, you can change your PayPal language. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.